Have you ever stopped to consider the impact of a single act of kindness? Something as small as a smile or a word of encouragement can set off a chain reaction that touches countless lives. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one." In a world that often feels consumed by self-interest, these words remind us to take action, to embody the kindness and compassion we wish to see around us. Compassion isn't just about feeling sorry for others. It's about understanding their suffering and doing what we can to alleviate it. Seneca, another great Stoic philosopher, wrote, "Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness." This profound observation highlights how compassion connects us all, no matter our differences. Every interaction is an opportunity to bridge gaps and build connections. When we practice kindness, it isn't just the recipient who benefits. There's a ripple effect. Imagine this. You hold the door open for someone, and their day gets a little brighter. That person, feeling uplifted, might extend a kind gesture to a colleague or a stranger, and the chain continues. Research backs this up. Acts of kindness trigger the release of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. Oxytocin not only strengthens emotional connections, but also reduces stress and promotes physical health. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, "What injures the hive injures the bee." When we help others, we strengthen the collective well-being of our communities. Kindness also has profound benefits for our physical and mental health. Studies have found that acts of kindness improve cardiovascular health, helping our hearts to thrive when we extend compassion to others. Furthermore, fostering a compassionate mindset reduces stress and anxiety, creating a buffer against the challenges of daily life. These findings align with Stoic teachings that emphasize resilience and inner strength. As Seneca wisely said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Acts of kindness can serve as a form of self-care, sharpening our ability to face life's difficulties with grace. Beyond individual benefits, kindness strengthens our social bonds. When we show compassion, we build networks of trust and support that enhance our emotional well-being. Research even suggests that kind people are perceived as more attractive because their warmth and empathy make them more approachable. This reinforces the Stoic idea that how we treat others reflects our inner character. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts, Marcus Aurelius reminds us. By prioritizing kindness, we not only shape our relationships, but also the perception others have of us. So how can we bring more compassion into our lives? It starts with ourselves. Self-compassion is the foundation of outward kindness. Dr. Kristin Neff, a leading researcher in this field, explains that treating ourselves with the same care we'd offer a close friend builds resilience and helps us navigate life's challenges. Marcus Aurelius also emphasized the importance of inner kindness. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. By being kind to ourselves, we strengthen our capacity to be kind to others. Once we cultivate self-compassion, we can begin to extend it outward. Here are some practical steps. First, look for small opportunities to help, holding a door, offering a compliment, or simply smiling at someone. These small gestures, though easy to overlook, can have a profound impact. Second, practice gratitude. Reflect on the kindness you've received and how it's shaped your life. Gratitude not only fosters a positive mindset, but also encourages us to pay it forward. Finally, make kindness a habit. Seneca advised, "Begin at once to live, and count each separate day as a separate life." Each day offers countless chances to be kind. Of course, being kind isn't always easy. Stress, negativity, and even fear can make it challenging to extend compassion. Epictetus advised, "Difficulties show what men are." These moments of struggle are opportunities to rise above and act with integrity. Mindfulness can help us recognize these opportunities. By staying present, we notice when someone needs a kind word or a helping hand. Kindness doesn't just transform individuals, it builds stronger communities. Marcus Aurelius said, "What brings no benefit to the hive brings none to the bee. Communities thrive when kindness becomes a shared value. Consider initiatives like community gardens, neighborhood cleanups, or volunteer programs. These acts not only address immediate needs, but also create a sense of belonging and trust. One powerful concept is relational microactivism, which emphasizes the importance of small, everyday acts of kindness and connection. These actions may seem insignificant on their own, but collectively, they can create a wave of positive change. Technology is also playing a role in spreading kindness. Additionally, social platforms can amplify acts of kindness, turning small moments into movements that inspire others to act. Imagine if we all used these tools to foster connection and support, creating a digital ripple effect of positivity. Kindness even shifts global narratives. Take Bhutan, a country that measures success not by GDP, but by gross national happiness. At the heart of this philosophy is compassion, the belief that collective well-being is more important than material wealth. This approach aligns with the Stoic idea that true happiness comes not from external possessions, but from the quality of our relationships and the way we treat one another. Stories of kindness remind us how powerful these acts can be. Maybe you remember a time when someone's kindness helped you through a tough day. Perhaps it was a stranger who offered assistance, or a friend who simply listened without judgment. These moments stay with us, not because of their size, but because of their meaning. As Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. When we focus on kindness, we change the fabric of our lives. So, here's my challenge to you. After watching this, commit to one act of kindness today. It could be writing a thoughtful note, helping a neighbor, or simply offering someone a smile. Then reflect on how it made you feel and share your experience in the comments. Together, let's create a ripple effect of kindness that spreads far and wide. Kindness isn't just something we do, it's something we live. As we navigate a world that often prioritizes self-interest, let's remember the wisdom of the Stoics and the science that supports their timeless truths. Compassion and kindness are more than virtues. They are the building blocks of a meaningful life. Marcus Aurelius put it best. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that reminds us of the good we can create together. Let's build a world where kindness isn't the exception, it's the norm.